Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode we are going to be learning how to fix iMessage not sending or activating. If your iMessage is stuck on waiting for activation or not sending messages, then follow these step-by-step solutions to fix the issue on your iPhone or iPad. First of all, ensure that you have a strong Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. Once you make sure of that, go ahead and open up the Settings app from your iPhone or iPad. From the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on General. Inside the General tab, go ahead and tap on Date and Time and make sure that you've turned on the Set Automatically button. If not, toggle this button on and then get back to the home screen of your iPhone or iPad. Incorrect date and time often blocks iMessage activation due to Apple's server mismatch, so after you do that, you might be able to fix the issue. If the problem still continues, make sure to restart your device. Swipe down from the top right corner of your home screen and press hold on the power button at the top right. Turn off your iPhone and restart it again. A simple reboot clears out temporary glitches interfering with iMessage. Now the next step is to sign out and back into Apple ID. Go back to the Settings app and from the Settings menu, scroll down and look for Messages. If you don't see it there, tap on Apps and look for the Messages app from the app list. Tap on it and then on the next page, tap on Send and Receive. Now tap on your Apple ID and tap on it one more time. Once you do that, you might be able to fix your issue. Also ensure that SMS messaging is enabled on your iPhone or iPad. Go back to Settings and look for Messages app. Once you're inside the Messages tab, go ahead and enable the button right next to Send as Text Message. Now after you do that, iMessage falls back to SMS when Apple's server fails. This ensures messages still go through. After you do that, you might be able to fix your messages issue. Also, make sure that your iOS is updated to the latest version. If an update is available, make sure to download and install it, since new updates often fix bugs related to messaging and activation. So those were some of the fixes you could try out if your iMessage is not activating or sending messages. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.